Cloudburst wreaks havoc in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. 36 missing in Shimla, 2 dead in Himachal Pradesh's Mandi. Even the hill states have been hit by a cloudburst. Rescue operations are underway. Bridges have been washed away in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So the situation is not looking good. We are constantly getting details coming in from the hill states on this. Multiple rivers are also above the danger level, and the cloudbursts that have taken place a few hours ago. Manjeet Sehgal is giving us all the updates on that. Manjeet, in which places across Himachal or Uttarakhand have these cloudbursts taken place? What are you hearing on this?
From the last year's devastation, but now the torrential rains have wreaked havoc, as you said. 3 cloudbursts have been reported in 3 districts of Himachal Pradesh during the past 24 hours, including the Manali, Mandi and the Rampur area of Himachal Pradesh, located some 140 kilometers from the state capital, Shimla. Now, rescue operations were on at all the sites. The Chief Minister is taking an emergency meeting and has directed all the deputy commissioners to take stock of the situation and provide immediate help to the people who are affected by the floods. Meanwhile, at least 20 people were reported missing from Samej village located in the Rampur area of the Shimla districts. Rescue operations are on. 2 bodies have been recovered. NDRF and SDRF teams were on the job, and the administration has launched a rescue operation. More details will be available after this rescue is over. But the Met Department has predicted and has issued an orange alert for heavy to heavy rains in Himachal Pradesh, which is now experiencing heavy rains, and major rivers were in spate. Even the tributaries were also in spate, and heavy damage has been reported for the public and private property in the state.
Manjeet, keep updating us, and looking forward to your coverage as well from these hill states, because monsoon fury, not just, remember, in Wayanad in Kerala, but even in the Himalayan region. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand have been hit by it. 36 people reported missing, at least, after the cloudburst in Shimla's Rampur. 2 people have been confirmed dead. Several went missing after 2 separate cloudburst incidents in Himachal Pradesh. One occurred in Shimla in Mandi district, and there has been, as a result, significant disruption, blockade of roads, damage also in the districts. Buildings that were once standing fell within seconds because of the alarming level and the gushing water also of the river nearby. The cloudburst has hit road connectivity in Rampur. The rescue teams are trying to hike to the affected site. 2 people have been killed as well. And in the adjacent hill state of Uttarakhand, 9 people have been reported dead after flash flood triggered by cloudburst. Nearly 200 pilgrims on the Kedarnath Yatra route were also stranded, with rain washing away a part of their walking path. So, as Manjeet continues to bring us the latest of what's happening, Manjeet, clearly the situation has been very scary, and because we've reported consistently from Uttarakhand, Himachal in these times, that it can often block a route, and when a highway or a road is blocked in these areas, it can often mean there's no alternate route, which means there could be long traffic snarls and disruptions expected.
Yes, indeed, Pooja, traffic jams have been reported from various highways, be it the Chandigarh-Manali National Highway or be it the Kalka-Shimla National Highway. Shooting stones are a biggest threat. The administration has also issued a warning to the tourists not to venture the flooded rivers or rivulets where there could be a danger for their lives. Many link roads have been blocked by the landslides in various parts of the state, though the machinery has been deployed to clear the roads, but the landslides are continuously occurring and creating a difficulty to the people. For the moment, many buses have been stranded at various places. Tourists are also stranded, and they have been advised to keep indoors till the weather improves. For 2 days at least, the Met Department has issued an orange alert for the state that heavy to heavy rains can take place. Though this alert is not for the Laul Spiti and Kinnaur, where the weather is almost dry, but the lower Himachal was experiencing heavy rainfall, and that has flooded the rivers, and that is causing huge damage to the public and private property. Pooja.
All right, keep tracking, Manjeet, on what is coming in here at this point, because remember that these are developing stories, and I have more visuals coming in that even now in the northern belt of the country, in the hill states, there have been incidents of cloudburst and landslide.